Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the buffering issues on the Spotify application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spotify application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, just try playing any song that you wish. And if the song doesn't load at all, or if it keeps on buffering, then the first thing that you will need to check is to make sure that your internet connection is running smoothly. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection and check any other application that uses the internet as well. If this application is running just fine, then make sure that you are updated to the latest version. Open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store and tap on the search box and then type in Spotify and start your search. Once you find the Spotify application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Go ahead and tap on the update button and wait for a little while, and once the update is installed, you will see the open button once again. Tap on the open button and see if your issue is fixed. If this still doesn't fix your issue, then long press on the Spotify application and tap on the info button at the top right corner. You can then tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on storage, and now from the storage menu tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and tap on delete to clear all of your user data. After this step, open up Spotify and you will need to log into your account once again. After you log in, you will see that the buffering issue has now been fixed. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to fix the buffering issues on the Spotify app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.